Sometime now I've got fed up with paying out for Just Eat and Uber Eats, and even if you go to Tesco's or Aldi or anywhere, trying to pay for meals is expensive. So I thought I'd try HelloFresh, and it's arrived. So have a look and see what you get in the box and see how it goes. So let's open the box and have a look and see. I've never had one of these before, so let's see what they look. Delivered by DPD, and it was exactly on time as when they said it would be. Very easy to choose what you wanted on the app and all the rest of it. And there it is in the box. Looks well packed. And what do you get in here? These ingredients are chilled and ready for the fridge in this box. Okay, and in here we've got green beans, and we've got salad of some type or noodles and something. Quite a few peppers, as you can see. There's all kinds in here, various meats, chicken, ground beef, British smoked bacon, mushrooms, all kinds of stuff in there, ready to go into the fridge. Now here we have marked number 1. I think it's taken by the picture, I don't know what it is. But anyway, let's have a look, see what it is. 3 people I ordered it for 5 days. Oh, in there there's sauces and noodles and all kinds of stuff. And as you can see, it's all bagged up, bag numbers on it. There's tomatoes down there as well. Some kind of salad leaves. There you go. Tortillas, asparagus spears. There's all kinds in here. I paid £28 for the first box because the first box you got 55% offer. I did, and free puddings supposedly. Although I can't see free puddings, they might be in here somewhere. And it tells you there's a leaflet here, your subscription, your box unpacked. I'll read that in a bit. And the bottom there, don't know what that is. Force and nature, there might be an advertising thing for some milkshake powder by the looks of it. And at the bottom here, more pasta, tomatoes. At the bottom of the box, menu card. So I've ordered pesto bacon and mushroom linguine. And for instance, let's sort it out. Tells you what you need, what it should look like, and on the back, how you make it. I've ordered as well spiced barbecue pork and quesadillas rapidas, which means quickly. £1 spicy teriyaki beef udon, Korean style honey pork and peanut noodles, Chinese style chicken noodle stir fry. So the ingredients that will come out of the box should be enough to make all of that for 3 people. Well, we'll have a look later and we'll have a go and see how it turns out. Where's my free puddings? There's my free puddings. Wild strawberry and clotted cream goo. Maybe Rhoda's Cornish clotted cream. Lovely. So I'm going to have a go at making Chinese style chicken noodle stir fry. This is the instruction sheet for it. And you're going to need the bell pepper, a lime and the green beans. And in bag 1 there's the sauces and noodles, and of course the chicken. So follow the instructions, and it says first thing to do, boil water for the noodles. Meanwhile, it says to halve the bell pepper and discard the core and cut into thin strips. Then it says to trim the green beans. So we've had the green beans, which basically I think means cut the ends off. These horrible ends. Then it says to cut the green beans into thirds approximately. So then it says to quarter the lime. So there we go, here's the lime. Okay, so the water's finished boiling. So now it says pour the boiling water into a medium saucepan. It says put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then add the noodles and bring to the boil for 4 minutes. So then it says to drizzle a little oil. So I'm not going to put very much into a frying pan. And add the sliced pepper and green beans to the frying pan. So these are going well. And then it says to add salt in, bit of ground white pepper in. And we'll keep an eye on that while we move on to the next bit. So while that's cooking, we're going to make the sauce. And it says to mix in the soy sauce, 2 sachets of soy, the honey, which comes in these little things, ketchup mayonnaise sauce, whatever that is. This is quite thick and gooey, this one. Does smell alright actually, so far. Give that a stir. And finally for the sauce, which I forgot to do, it says to take 1 quarters of lime and squeeze 1 lime juice or 1/4 into the sauce. Now it's time to add the diced chickens. And it does tell you a bit about chicken and making sure it's safe and you clean all your utensils and things like that, which I have done. So we're going to make sure now that the chicken is cooked right through before we go on to any further. Yes, and it's just about done. And once you've done that, it says to add in the sauce. And stir that in. And cook it while stirring for a minute or so. And then after this has been with the sauce for 1 minute, we add in the noodles. It's all lovely and soft now. Stir this all, mix all this in, and cook it for a few more minutes. It says that if it's too dry, you can add a drop of water into it. It's looking alright at the moment. And it also says, which I will do in a few seconds, once it's all mixed together, add in another 1/4 of lime juice. It doesn't say what you do with the other two pieces of lime, but there you go. And there we have it. Chinese style chicken noodle stir fry. And of course the last thing we're going to do then is to serve it up. And there it is finished. So see what it tastes like. Not bad.